Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. Today we're going to be testing out my terrible 1970s boat, which I picked up for free, and I've spent about the last 3 or 4 videos fixing this thing up and getting it ready for the water. So today, I think we're finally ready. So let's take it down to the lake and see if we sink. In case you've ever seen a free boat deal on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace or anywhere else, you want to be a little cautious of these things. If you want to know how much it takes to get a free boat into a functional boat, you should check out my prior 3 videos where I struggle with that very process. Only mild winch difficulties. Part of the railing fell off on that side. The duck is back. And this duck wants to be friends. Hi. Hi, duck. Sorry, I don't have a snack for you. Alright, we appear to be leaking slightly. Alright, so I think most of that water actually came from deeper inside the boat. When we tilted it back on the shore here, it just ran to the stern from farther inside the V-hull. I do have a little leak here on my bolt, but that's pretty minimal. And it doesn't seem to be leaking seriously here, so we should be okay for a while. Alrighty, we're on the water, mostly above the water. Let's see if this will start. Sorry, quick. Alright, now let's see if it'll start. Well, we've got the drifting part down. It's a good thing we brought oars. We're moving! Sort of! Such peace and quiet on the water. Alright, let's see if we can lose the drone in the water. I broke any props. I broke that one a little bit. Let's try her again. Hey, so the boat now works. A little. Surprisingly. It still wants to stall out though. Well, it worked for a second. Likes to clunk a lot. Okay, so it doesn't do that thumping thing in reverse, so it's got to be something with the gear shift or the gearing that's screwed up. Alright, we now have manual only shifting. We're going to see if that does anything different. It's not... Oh, spoke too soon. It's still thumping. There's something screwed up with the... something. It's like it's popping out of gear momentarily. Now it just popped into neutral by itself. Well, I guess we go back to the dock and pull it home and kick it some more. Alright, so we knew this boat was terrible to start with, and now we know a little bit more about what things specifically are terrible. Namely, it does leak a little bit, and that's partly my fault because I drilled some new holes in it and didn't silicone them well enough. The main problem is that the engine does not want to stay in forward gear. It keeps clunking and trying to shift back into neutral, and obviously there is a gear stripped somewhere inside, probably in the lower unit. So I guess that's the next thing that we need to do with that. That's going to be a future video because I'm done with this one for now. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Check out the past videos on this boat and my other boats, some of which are even worse than this somehow or another. And then stay tuned for what we come up with next. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this more than I enjoyed making it, and we'll see you next time.